G'day, I'm Greg Conley, Mechanical Inspector with the Resources Regulator. A worker suffered significant injuries in a fall of about 4 metres while cleaning an EX5600-6 excavator in the New South Wales Hunter Valley. At around 5:20 a.m. on Monday the 22nd of September, the contractor was pressure washing near the right-hand boom cylinder on the mid-level platform you can see behind me. They had placed their weight on the gates above the access ladder and beside the boom cylinder when the stanchion post supporting the gate failed at the base and the worker fell directly to the ground. The worker suffered multiple fractures to the legs, including femur and lower leg, as well as ligament damage.
Hello, I'm Darcy Castaldi, Mechanical Engineer at Hunter Valley Operations. During the mine's ICAM investigation, the following engineering and operational issues were considered. The original boom cylinder access platform guardrail was a two-stanchion design to support the access gates. The access system was later modified with an aftermarket folding platform to improve maintenance access. However, the change management did not consider the structural impact of removing the second stanchion so a single stanchion was supporting the load of an access gate and holding the folding platform in the raised position. Vibration and dynamic loading fatigue on a single stanchion supporting the weight of the gate and the folding access platform in a raised position. Guardrail design compliance with AS 5327 earth moving machinery access systems. Point load capacity of a single stanchion with respect to AS 1657. The mine's ICAM determined, following replacement of the gate stanchion assembly in July 2025, the progressive fatigue deterioration in the base of the access gate stanchion was not specifically detected during inspection. No reference in AS 5327 or mine procedures requiring more than a single connection point in a guardrail system. The existing inspection regime included each shift by operators, fortnightly by maintenance workers during planned maintenance, and every 3 months during structural integrity inspections. The mine has implemented the following controls to prevent a reoccurrence of this falling from heights incident. All heavy mining equipment has been audited for single connection points and other non-compliant guardrailing. All guardrails that protect workers from a fall from height shall be upgraded to have more than one connection point to the plant or structure. Update site procedures, technical and procurement specifications to reflect multiple connection point requirements. Engineering design review of the EX5600-6 maintenance access platform to ensure as a minimum the design will comply with the requirements of AS 5327.
Mine operators, excavator suppliers, and people modifying plant should consider failure modes of guardrail systems, including the weld design, type and quality between the support stanchions or posts and the base plates. Management of excavator pre-maintenance cleaning processes. In terms of the access gates, stanchions or posts, and the ladder handrails, mine operators should consider inspections and associated defect management, design specification, suitability and location with regard to ongoing operational damage, use of investigation outcomes and recommendations to develop and implement safe systems of work to manage the risks associated with workers falling. A mechanical engineering control plan must set out the control measures to prevent injury to people caused by working at heights on plan and the catastrophic failure of structures. The mine operators should confirm that access systems are included in the routine maintenance inspections on all plant. This includes the failure mode of the support stanchions or posts and the weld design or quality to the base plate. Mines must take into account the inspections and testing of plant or structures, including testing safety critical functions or components. In addition, mines should identify, assess, manage and rectify defects that affect the safety of plant or structures. For more information about working at heights, refer to the Safe Work Code of Practice, Managing the Risks of Falls at Workplaces. Reporting incidents to the regulator is crucial to help us keep your workplaces safe. Please help to eliminate the risk of injuries, and let's continue to work together to make the New South Wales mining industry a safer place for all mine workers.